because it is annoying when your bike starts but won't run. Makes it harder to diagnose the issue. It was just starting. Why is it not starting now? Now the reason I wanted to show you this is because I think this is the real problem here. Right, we got this little Honda Z50J. It's a 1975. You'll see I can start it, hopefully. Gotta switch it on, I guess, eh? Let's see if it's getting fuel. It's got fuel. There's a little tap there that we can check to get the fuel. Kick, kick, kick. But it just dies. It just dies. Now the reason I wanted to show you this is because I think this is the real problem here. It's running too rich. And if I'm right, the spark plug will be black as. Yeah, there you go. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can bring it around. So black, so dark. It's running too rich. The fuel, it's getting too much fuel. So it'll get going, but it can't actually, the bike won't run. So I've got another spark plug here. So I'm going to swap it out for one that's also not the greatest, to be honest, but let's see if my theory holds. That I know that bike's running and it runs really well. So this will tell me if it's the spark plug or not. Right, let's see. Hopefully I'm right, then that'll save me a lot of admin. See, even the idling's on now. So it's amazing, just by the spark plug changed the whole thing on the bike. From a not starting bike to, well, a semi-starting bike, but a not idling, not riding bike, one little spark plug change. So if you're having hassles with your bike, starting or battling to start but just won't ride, check the spark plug. And in this case, you'll notice the spark plug is very rich, very black. Sometimes they go like really white. That means it's running very lean. And if it's white, lean is just as bad because it starts to burn the plug out. What you want is sort of like a browny color. And yeah, if you get that brown color, you'll get it running. So let me know if you got any other ideas on how to get these things running. Do you have one? Do you love them? And by the way, guys, if you want to download the workshop manuals, you can go to my website my50.com, and there's free workshop manuals for these bikes. You can download them, share your knowledge so that others can also ride them again, or let the kids ride them or whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching, and let me know if you got a Z50. Cheers.